Hi guys, Keith Arkenberg Farms. Today I want to talk about my bunching onions I have right here, how to harvest them, plant them, and what we're looking for to clean them and get ready for market. So let me show you. So what I have is a couple different successions of bunching onions, all planted at the same time. I plant everything in seed back in February 1st. That is the optimal time for me to plant, because that's when I plant out everything allium wise for the season. The way I get these different successions out here is when I actually put them out in the field. So, hey, I got a cantaloupe right there. That baby looks done. We take the 200 cell flats, we sprinkle a pinch of seeds in each of them. I don't know the exact number. I think we're looking for around 8 to 10. I want to really kind of dial it in next year. Use like a scooper or something that fits that many seeds, dump them into each cell. From there we grow them out in the germination house over here. When it comes time enough to get them warm enough outside, we take them, we put them in the prop house. So from there, about April is when we'll actually bring them out into the field, and we'll start planting them in our landscape fabric. I'll turn you around and show you. So we are actually using a 6x6 fabric with 5 rows in them. This is actually the white on black stuff, which I planned this succession in. The one down there is in black fabric like usual. I have not seen any difference in the two. I'm not sure if the white fabric's even worth it, but I made it, I have it, so that's what it's planted in. Harvesting is pretty simple. You got one of two techniques. One is you grab the whole thing and you yank it out. You gotta kind of shake it to get it through. You got a big ball of roots. You can cut it out here or cut it in the post-harvest area until you have something like this. I also like to get rid of, well, there's a smaller one, mainly all of the dead little things on here. And because it's been so dry, I haven't been watering these much at all. I'm getting more dead stringers on them. Then take a rubber band. We do 1, 2, and 3. So there is a set. The other option, when it's a little drier and they're being more difficult, I just pull them to the point where they come out, and I cut the roots off in the hole to leave as much dirt down there as possible. So again, just clearing off the dead ones. And if I got a bunch of really nice looking onions on here, I will also go through, and if there's a little teeny tiny one, I just get rid of it. It just looks better if there's a bunch of big ones. I mean, like, those are nice size right there. Then again, pull our band, 1, 2, and 3, just like that. So I continue down the row. I harvest these as I need them. I'm in no hurry whatsoever to get these things out of the ground. We sell on average probably 20 bunches a week. So typically, I'll just come out here every week and just get another 20. They've been in the ground, and we've been harvesting these now for going on 2 or 3 months. So they are a great crop that holds in the garden for weeks on end. So I'll just keep going on this, and then take you in. We'll get them cleaned up the rest of the way and ready for the market table. Okay, so now we have them back inside. Still kind of dirty, so we need to work on washing them. In the field, picked off most of the brown leaves, and here I'll do one more quick pick on them. Then use our sprayer. I spray down inside of them first to blow out all the dirt in the center, because it literally is the bunch that came out of the ground. Then I'll go back the other direction And kind of like the fresh onions, it blows the outside coating down, so I'll pick that off slightly. Just try to get rid of most of it. And then we do a final trimming to bring them down to our final piece. I'll just go through and repeat the process over and over again. I'm not even super concerned about getting all of the stuff from the inside of them, because once you spray off the outside, you really can't see what's inside of the bunch. I know there's some dirt in there, but since this was all grown together, this is the pack as it came out of the ground. Well, hope you all liked what you saw today and thought it was useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.